Today guys, pag-uusapan natin about memory. And there's two type of memory, isang virtual and isang physical na naka-embed sa inyong mga smartphones. So what's the difference? Pag-uusapan natin dito sa video nito. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Today I have here si HUAWEI Y61 na may 6GB of RAM and si Oppo A17 na may 4GB of RAM na kaya mag-extend up to 8GB of RAM via virtualization. Okay? So, what is virtualization? What is virtual memory? It's just like tricking the system, kumuha ka ng kunting storage from the SSD and turning it into a memory. Now, what's the difference between memory and ang kanyang storage? Now, ang memory is the short-term na storage. Doon nagpa-process, doon ina-analyze, doon nagaganap lahat ng pangyayari sa loob ng isang phone. Now, ano naman yung storage? It's basically the one that is storing all of your files, your videos, your documents, and your games. And probably all of your apps as well. Now, sa PC, this is what we call the memory module. And ito naman ang storage module. So, by the way guys, these are T-Force from Team Group. And same brand sila, no? Now, it costs more itong memory nito. And it costs less itong storage na ito. That's why, in order to save cost, ginagawa ng mga manufacturer like si Oppo, ginagawa nila virtual memory para to save on cost, and it's just like tricking the system na I have more memory. Like, binabrag ko, meron ako 8GB of RAM. And like si Vivo Y22s, meron ako 16GB of RAM. Pero in fact, well, 6 lang naman. Now guys, let me quote from this website, si partitionwizard.com. The cost of memory is much more expensive than storage. 1GB of RAM costs about $8, while 1GB of hard drive storage space costs about 10 cents. So, yun ang primary reason bakit ang memory has less space than this storage. And pagdating sa speed, the RAM ran faster than the storage device. Papakita ko sa inyo, no? So, itong Oppo A17 na meron siyang 4GB of RAM, ginawa natin right now is that binoost na natin ang kanyang RAM. So, kita natin, nakaboost siya ng 4. So, makita natin dito, 4GB of RAM. Ito naman si HUAWEI Y61, meron siyang 6GB of physical RAM. Now, papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit it's just like tricking the system. Pupuntahan lang natin si memory information. Okay? Or memory info na app. So, I have here installed si memory info na app. So, nakita natin a while ago, si HUAWEI may 6GB, ito may 8GB. 4 plus 4. So, ito, kita natin, kinakount niya lahat, 6GB of RAM in total. Samantala si Oppo, kahit 8GB of RAM, sinasabi niya, ang counted lang talaga is ang iyong physical RAM. So, that's what's important dito. So, that's the reason why sinasabi ko, mas maganda ang merong physical and dedicated na RAM. So, kinlear na natin lahat ng ating mga apps. So, tingnan natin kung ilang memory ang naiwan sa kanya. So, itong si HUAWEI, meron siyang 1.8GB free RAM. And si Oppo, meron din siya 1.8. Funny though. So right now, mag-speed test lang tayo. Papakita ko lang sa inyo how fast. This one's supposed to be faster kasi 8 na siya. Hindi lang siya 4. So buksan lang natin dialer. Kita mo, mas mabilis siya. Buksan natin ang messaging. Naka-open na siya, siya hindi pa. Buksan natin ang browser. Nakabukas na siya, siya loading pa rin. Buksan natin ang camera app. Tapos siya mag-load siya, loading pa rin. Buksan natin si Antutu Benchmark. Let's see. Loading na siya. Loaded na siya. Siya, wala pa rin. Eh makikita natin pagdating sa memory, even though na boosted na ang RAM nito, talo pa rin siya dito kay HUAWEI. Buksan natin si Play Store. Almost at par. And lastly, buksan natin si YouTube. So, kita natin medyo malayo ang performance, no? Mas mabilis dihamak ang 6GB of RAM than the 4 plus 4 na virtual memory. So, tingnan lang natin quickly si memory info kung ilan ang memory na naiwan sa kanya. So, ayan guys, kita natin na after opening all of those apps, 1.8 pa rin ang free natin. Ayan na, naka-open lahat ng apps. So, meron tayong 1.8GB na free RAM. Samantala si Oppo, kahit meron siyang 4GB of RAM, boosted na Ang free niya is 1.5. So ayun guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito about the difference between the physical RAM and the virtual RAM. So at the end of this video, I can say na ang physical RAM ang what's important to be able to process it faster. Kasi like sinabi kanina doon sa website na yun, ang speed ng processing sa RAM is way faster than yung speed ng processing sa storage device. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo ang bell icon para hindi naman miss ang mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?